I'm Melissa Underdown, and I'm a licensed dietitian nutritionist. This week's nutrition tip is to get adequate protein in your diet. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle in our body, but it does much more than this. Did you know that protein is needed to make antibodies to fight infection? Good sources of protein include meat, chicken, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy. There are also good plant sources of protein, which include soy products, beans, pulses, nuts, and seeds. Protein needs vary based on your physical activity, gender, age, and even medical history. Getting enough will help you stay fuller longer, maintain muscle mass, and may help you achieve a healthy body weight. Focus on getting a palm-sized portion of protein with most of your meals and include some protein in your snacks to help you consume enough. As we recognize National Nutrition Month, we'll be sharing more tips and healthy recipes that you can try at home. This year's National Nutrition Month theme is Celebrate a World of Flavors, so we've collected recipes from around the world. Enjoy this one from dietitian Kristen Lee.
How to make souvlaki. Souvlaki is a Greek dish made of marinated meat. It is similar to a gyro, but the meat is served on a skewer instead of shaved. First, choose your protein of choice. I chose to make pork and chicken souvlaki and cut this up into 1-inch size cubes. Then make your Greek spice mix of 2 teaspoons of dried basil, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, half a tablespoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried dill weed, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this all together and set aside for later. In a large gallon-sized Ziploc bag, add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 1 tablespoon of white distilled vinegar. Add 2 to 4 cloves of minced garlic and the juice of half a lemon. Add in your protein of choice along with 2 tablespoons of the spice mix that you made earlier. Seal this up nice and tight and massage into the protein. Marinate this in the fridge for a minimum of 6 hours or overnight for the best flavor. The next day, take your bamboo skewers, and it's best to soak this in water to prevent them from burning in the pan. Skewer all of your meat and cook this in a pan or on the grill for the best flavor. Make sure to brown them on both sides and cook them completely through. Then take your souvlaki and serve in a warm pita and choose your favorite toppings. I chose tomatoes, thinly sliced red onions, topped it with tzatziki sauce, some diced cucumbers, fresh dill, and a squeeze of lemon juice. And enjoy!